Hello, Tom. Welcome to my art studio.
Hi, Sarah. Thank you for inviting me.
I am very happy you are here. Are you ready?
Yes, I am, but I am a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Art is about having fun.
I love your studio. It has so many screens.
These are my digital canvases. I draw here.
It looks like a spaceship. Everything is so high-tech.
It is just a workspace. It is very cozy.
I see many colorful pictures. Did you draw them?
Yes, I did. I love to paint animals.
They look very real. How is that possible?
We use computers and special pens. It is magic.
I only use pencils. This is very new.
You will learn fast. You are very smart.
I hope so. Where do we start, Sarah?
Sit down here. This is your tablet.
This chair is nice. I feel professional.
Good. Now look at the big monitor.
It is very bright. The colors are beautiful.
First, we turn on the software. Press here.
Okay, the screen is white now.
That is your blank page. It is a new start.
I am afraid to start. It is so clean.
Don't be afraid. We can always delete mistakes.
That is the best part. No more messy erasers.
Exactly. Digital art is very clean and fast.
Okay, Sarah, I am ready for the pen.
Here it is. It is called a stylus.
It feels very light. Let's do this.
Hold the pen gently. Do not press hard.
Like this? My hand feels a bit heavy.
Just relax, Tom. Move your arm, not just fingers.
Look, a blue line appeared.
That is perfect. Your first digital stroke.
It is very smooth. It feels like silk.
The screen is sensitive. It knows your touch.
If I press hard, it is thick. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. It's like a real brush.
This is amazing. I love the technology.
Now, try to draw a simple shape. Maybe a circle?
A circle is hard. I will try my best.
Take your time. Don't hurry.
It looks like a big egg.
An egg is good. We can make a bird.
No, I want to draw a cat.
Okay, a cat it is. Circles and triangles.
I will try again.
Oh, you found the undo button. You are fast.
I like this button. It is my favorite friend.
Every artist loves the undo button.
Okay, a round head and 2 ears.
Those are great ears. The cat looks alert.
Now I need eyes. 2 small dots.
Perfect. Our cat can see the room now.
The pen is very quiet. No scratching sound.
Yes, it's very peaceful. You can focus.
I am very focused. My tongue is out.
That means you are a real artist.
Let's add more. I want a long tail. Look at my cat. It is very round.
It looks very happy, like a ball.
I made the tail too long. It is like a snake.
It is okay. It is a very special cat.
Can I fix it, or is it too late?
Just use the eraser tool. Click the icon.
Wow, it is so easy.
Now draw a shorter tail, just a little curve.
There, now he looks like a cat again.
He is very cute. He has a funny face.
I want to give him whiskers, long, thin lines.
Use a smaller brush size for that.
Like this? 1, 2, 3.
Yes, now he is a very smart cat.
I am surprised. I can really draw on a computer.
See, I told you, you have a natural talent.
Thank you, Sarah. You are a great teacher.
It is easy to teach a good student like you.
What should we do next? Is it time for color?
Yes, the best part. Let's make him colorful.
I want an orange cat, like a ginger cat.
That is a classic. Orange is a happy color.
Where is the orange? The screen has many colors.
Look at the color wheel on the right.
It is like a rainbow circle. It is beautiful.
Click on the orange section. Pick a bright one.
I found it. It is very vivid.
Now we use the fill tool. It's like magic.
Boom! My cat is orange now.
Amazing! He looks like a sunny cat.
Now we need a color for the eyes.
I want green eyes, like your eyes, Sarah.
That is a very kind idea.
One green eye and two.
He looks very bright. He is a clever cat.
Can we add some shadows to make him 3D?
Yes, we create a new layer for shadows.
Layer? What does that mean?
It is like a transparent paper on top.
So I don't ruin the orange color.
Exactly. You can always change the layer.
Digital art is very smart. I like it.
Now use a darker orange for the shadow.
Under the ears and under the chin.
Look, now he looks real. He has volume.
He looks like he can jump off the screen.
He is a very energetic cat.
I want to add a pink nose, a tiny one.
Pink is over there, next to the red.
A small pink nose. Done.
He is perfect, Tom. You did a great job.
I am very happy. I feel like an artist.
You are an artist. This is your work.
I want to draw a background now. Maybe a park?
Let's keep it simple. A green floor.
Okay, a big green circle for the grass.
Now he is sitting in a garden.
It is a beautiful day for my cat.
It is a beautiful day for art, too.
I agree. I'm having a lot of fun.
Look at the screen, Tom. We are finished.
It is incredible. I made a masterpiece.
You really did. It looks very professional.
I want to save it. I want to show my family.
We can export it as an image for your phone.
Can you do that? That is very cool.
There, I sent it to your email.
I see it. It looks great.
Now you can have it forever. Digital art lasts.
Thank you, Sarah. This was a wonderful lesson.
You are very welcome. You are a natural.
I want to learn more. Can I come back?
Of course. We can draw a forest next time.
A forest? That sounds very difficult.
Not with my help. We will do it together.
I feel very proud today. My mom will be happy.
Moms always love art. It is a great gift.
I will print it and put it on the wall.
That is a great idea. It is your first success.
I learned about layers, pens, and colors.
And you learned that you have a talent.
I never knew I could draw on a computer.
Sometimes we need a friend to show us the way.
You are a very good friend, Sarah.
And you are a very good student, Tom.
I am ready for more, but I am also hungry.
Art is hard work. Let's have coffee.
Coffee sounds perfect. I am very thirsty.
I have some fresh coffee in the kitchen.
Let's go. I am a happy artist today.
Here is your coffee, Tom. Careful, it is hot.
Thank you, Sarah. It smells very good.
Do you like the sunset?
It is beautiful. The sky is orange and purple.
It looks like your cat's colors.
Yes, nature is an artist too.
Nature is the best artist. We just copy it.
I want to paint a sunset one day.
We can do that next month. It is very fun.
This studio is very peaceful at this time.
Yes, it is my favorite time to work.
I feel very relaxed now. The stress is gone.
That is the magic of painting. It is calm.
I am glad I met you today, Sarah.
I am glad too. It was a nice meeting.
I will practice at home on my small computer.
Good. Try to draw a dog next time.
A dog? Okay, I will try.
Just use circles and triangles again.
I will send you a photo of my dog.
I want to see it. Is it a big dog?
No, it is a very small dog, like a potato.
Potato dogs are the best.
Well, I must go home now. It is late.
Okay, Tom. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for the lesson and the coffee.
See you next Tuesday, 4 o'clock?
Yes, I will be here. I won't be late.
Goodbye, Tom. Have a safe walk.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you soon.